us now. All grown up, I'm like wow, still in love, I wonder how. Practically writing the vows, baby, I feel so alive. When our bodies do collide, girl, I love you very much, cause every time we touch, I
Oh, it hurts more than a little. Never felt the pain that I'm feeling now. If I could only get to the middle of this tornado. I've done my share of crying. I know that there ain't no denying I'm leaning on a bow that's about to break. But